Hi everyone and welcome to another subscriber Q&A. I got a question from Alam Durig on Messenger and he asked me, when you follow the Android Studio to the game tutorial and you have a centered player with a sprite image, how can you remove the centering so the player can just move around freely? So I will just show what I'm talking about. If we go to Android Studio and just play the latest stage of the game, you see that this wizard here, he is always centered. So what we want to do is to make this wizard move freely, just as it was before we centered the player in our previous video. So first, I was trying to go about this by just going inside the game display and, going into the game class and then deleting the game display and then just making sure that no errors were still left in the code by just removing the game display from every place. But I think the simplest way to actually remove this offsetting on the screen is just to go to game display, and you see this game to display coordinate offset x. It is the offset that makes the player centered. So if we don't want any offset, we could just say that that the offset should be like display center x. I think we can just take this whole thing away, and we do the same for display center y and hit save. And let's see what happens if we hit play. Huh, I thought this would work, but it didn't. Oh yeah, it worked. Look, here we have our little wizard. And the problem is just that you want to initialize the wizard in a place which is already in the screen. So I'm thinking, if you want to control that better, I mean, where do we put it? So we have the player and here's the position. I don't know, maybe we just set the position to 0, 0 and hope that that will be on the screen. And then we hit play again. Yeah, then you see that here's the wizard in the corner, and then you can just run around like this, like crazy. So yeah, this was pretty painless, and that was it for this time. Thank you so much. Oh, by the way, I should maybe announce that I will only do a couple of more of these Android to the programming videos, and then I will transition into another project which will be a full stack development course, or maybe a computer science course that will be for total beginners, where you will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how to work with servers, Docker, everything. And I have a good announcement video that I've been saving for a couple of months, but yeah, it will come when it comes. But thank you so much for watching, and see you another time.